Yeah, so today we'll be discussing on the Stanificent law and we'll be giving out a tip, which is how do you know when to replace the battery of the lock. Most time as an installer, you get complaint that the lock is no longer responding to card. How do you know if the issue is from the battery for you to tell them to change the battery or to go and change the battery yourself? First thing, when the battery goes bad, you find out that on a norm, the lock handle is not supposed to be stiff. It's supposed to be free. It only gets stiff when you touch the card on the lock. You can be able to open. But when the battery is faulty, you see that you can be able to open the lock from outside, just like I am doing now. Even without activating the card on the lock, you will be able to open the lock from outside. So when a situation like this or a scenario of such happens, just know that the issue is coming from your battery. So it means it sends a sign that you need to change the battery. Immediately you change your battery and you replace the card, the master card or the room card on it, you see that what the engine starts what responding. The second sign is that your on a norm, the lock is supposed to make a sound when you place your card on the lock. You hear a sound that what the engine has what picked the card. So you no longer hear the sound. You can see as I'm touching my card now, you are not hearing any sound. So the lock is like as if it's dead. So this is another sign to know that what your battery needs replacement. And the third, you will no longer see a light, a blue light. Normally when you activate your card on the lock, you will see a blue light here. So that blue light will no longer also be there. So the first, your handle starts opening from outside. The second, when you place your card, you will not hear any sound from the lock to show that what the engine has accepted the card. And the third, do not see a blue light from the lock. So these three signs shows you that what your battery needs replacement. Thank you. So sorry I said three previously. It's supposed to be four. So I've already talked about the first three. So the fourth sign that will let you know that the lock battery needs to be replaced. You will, if you are familiar with this lock, when you activate the card on the lock, you will hear a sound like krrr. So, but when the battery is already going down, like getting bad, you will hear that sound. After that krrr that the engine has opened, then you also hear ppp. That ppp after that first krrr to tell you that the lock has already opened. That ppp comes immediately. So with that last ppp, you already know that it's a sign that your battery is running down and you need to replace. Thank you.